What's better than being a cop? Being a cyber cop. A RoboCop.
Yeah, I'm a cop.
Being a cyber cop has its advantages. You get homing missiles, triple shot machine guns, a big white balls, and my personal favorite, fire. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Just because you're a total badass doesn't mean your enemies are going to be total pushovers. You got machine gun G.I. Joes, sliding guys, vomit bomb sliding robots, and a chain ball wielding baboon monkey. Fucking monkeys. And don't forget that Sega Badass Genesis soundtrack. Just beautiful. If you haven't played this game, you're whack. Wait, did I just say that? Just play it.